What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. As you can see behind me, I got Darren helping me. We are swapping the engine finally on the B5. This is where we're at right now. We're just taking off the front clip, getting ready to pull this bitch. And yeah, so I'll keep checking in periodically on kind of what we're doing. I don't want to film too much. I gotta help get this done. Out, and running by the end of the day. Not hard to work on these.
Flip side up. The other side come out?
Huh?
That side come out? Oh wait, hang on, let me go like this real quick.
So we're having problems with the axles not wanting to come out, and then here he is. He pulls this bitch out, breaks loose immediately. So we're having problems with that one. He pulls out this big unga dunga, comes out immediately.
Good shit, a lot easier.
So as you can see, he had to cut it. It's because under the exhaust, it is welded completely together. Like it only comes apart at the downpipe, and then from there it is one piece, one singular piece. So we're just gonna cut it, and then we're gonna clamp it and call it a day. All right, so now the axles are out, or undone. The exhaust is cut, the drive shaft is out. We just drained the oil, and then we just drained the trans, and the fluid looked brand new. So now he is handling the slave cylinder, and then this thing should be ready to be pulled out. Then it's just swap everything over and redo the process. But while it's out, we're gonna crack the trans in half, and we're gonna weld the center diff. And then we're gonna later, if we got time, we're gonna pull the rear diff out and weld that as well, so it's fully rear wheel drive converted. We're good.
I think we're about maxed out. You try it. Okay, just give it a pull when I lift.
Huh?
Just give it a yank when I lift.
Right?
Yep.
Hell yeah, brother. Big birthday. Engine is officially out.
Oh, it shut itself off. Yeah, like it. When it started going. Oh, you hadn't gotten it on yet?
This is Darren's baby. This is a single turbo S4. Look at that. Ooh.
Do you happen to have any oil pressure issues? No codes, no nothing. Just no boost. And it was fine, and then it was.
Alright, so we went and got lunch. So now what we need to do is, I need to pop this cover off right here. We need to slide this mechanism out. I'm going to weld it and then put it back together. Then we basically got to swap over all the parts that we need from here. The turbo probably, and a couple other things onto the other engine that will be going in. We're going to try to leave this harness with this engine We're thinking that the low compression and all that stuff was caused by this wire right here, all those issues I was having, because this wire was breaking off. So we decided to cut it and try to see if we can connect the loop and get spark, but there's zero spark going to cylinder 2, even with us jumping this right here. So don't know, but the engine seems to be actually okay.
Okay. Crucial step of welding your diff. Brake clean and lighting it on fire. Ooh-wee. Nice and toasty.
Kind of cool.
Breathing fire. Soon we're gonna have to do this to the rear diff too.
That's even bigger, so bigger fire.
Bigger fire.
I